In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Ford emblem on your Ford Explorer located on the front grille. On the top right here, you want to go ahead and loosen and remove the two plastic locking clips. We're just going to pop out the center using our trim tool. Pop that out and remove the bottom. Do the same for over here. With those removed, we're going to go ahead and use our 10mm socket, loosen and remove the series of bolts across the front. Remove that trim. In order to remove our emblem itself, on the back side, there are two metal or tin nuts on plastic studs on the back side of the emblem. You're going to gain access through the back side or this pocket. I'm going to put my light in there and we're going to use a deep 10mm on my 1/4 inch. Go ahead and remove those nuts. And you can go ahead, you have a little bit of flexibility with the grill here, you just want to be careful with it. And once you get this one off, you're going to go ahead and repeat for the other side. Now that we have that tin nut off, put the two of those aside. And then you can go ahead and slide the emblem out. Go ahead and pop that off. Before installing our emblem, let's go ahead and clean this up. You can use some soapy water or a little bit of solvent to go ahead and clean up any of this old dirt and debris. Now we're going to go ahead and put our emblem in place, and we're going to reach around the back side and we're going to try and get the 10 nuts started, and then we'll come on back with our ratchet and snug those down. I'm going to feed those through. And you're just going to be able to just get those started. And grab the other one and get that one started as well. Now with both of those nuts started on there, we can go ahead and snug those down. Now when tightening this here, you just want to make sure that they're snug. You don't want to over tighten those tin nuts because you can strip or break the plastic studs here. Okay, that one's done. Go ahead and get the other one. Install the upper cover. And the cover needs to go on the front edge of the grill here, so you want to make sure you get that front leading edge in and then push this back into place. Get all of our bolts started by hand first, and then we'll come back and snug those down. Before we snug these down, let's go ahead and get our plastic push pins in. That'll help line up the panel a little bit better. Perfect, push those in. Let's go ahead and snug these down. Once you're done with this, go ahead and close the hood, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.